Hey, Barney. I was doing it on the island and he just kind of hopped up on me here. So it's kind of hard to do because I can't move my arm around too much because he's up there. So we'll do our best. Hey, what do you think, Barney? Bonk, 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 bonk. I can't zoom out on this because I'm on the selfie camera, front camera, back camera, I don't know, whichever it is. But, oh, here we go, we're on the island. There we go, that's better. This one I can zoom out. Glide, Barney, you're soaring. Actually, wasn't much dust come off that I could see. Maybe we haven't got it all yet, Barney. Oh, saw a bit of dust there. A little bit of dust coming out there, Barney. A little sideways with the camera here. Yeah, I'm not really using heat at all, just the fan. I didn't get wet, so I don't really need that. Don't really need the heat. It's already warm. It's already warm in here. He's coming back. Oh yeah, he is. Here, come over here, get my butt. There we go. What are you doing down there?
Hey, Barney. Hi, Barney.
Hello.
Hi, Barney.
Hello. All right.
Hi, Barney. Hi,
We
Barney.
had to vacuum and dust anyways. Might as well get this out of the way. All right. See you later.
Hi, Barney.